lì ok, vi gledate ovaj video to je prvi video na ovom kanalu. Kao što znate, vidite, to sam ja sa kanala Real Madrid Srbija. Sam da obavijestim da na tom kanalu više neće biti sve. Vršio sam što se tiče tog kanala. Sve sam zeznao, neće svima, ne znam zašto, ali neće. Tako da, ovo je sad novi kanal. Pa onda, ajde da krenemo. Počinjem neki serijal Dream League. Sad malo, ja sam već bio igrao. Ovo sam Antunoviću, pojačao snagu. Sve sam ja imam pojačao, imam kodbit za 1, tako to, mislim da stupam na cijeli. Sad ću samo jednu odigrati utakmicu, da vi možete da vidite kako to igrate. Ajde da odmah krenemo. Ja sam zanimljivo igrača, da se vidite. Da nije bitno na koju poziciju stavljam. Sada malo prenesim face game. Ovdje stojim. Golman je sad kurva, ili ćete. Čekajte. Ovdje neću zavrnuti. Izvinjala sam se malo neki. Ili ću stoji i ovdje vrnuti. Ne mogu da ja više da stavim. Opet mi trfe. Sljedeća, kako se spektacija, mislim. Nisam teren bio.
Which way will this game go?
Opa, ne drugo. Ako se pita što drugo, sve to. Sad.
It's a freezing cold day and the players have to keep themselves warm on the touchline. Oh, well intercepted. Johnson. Goalkeeper's ball, well taken. Launched upfield by the keeper. Well intercepted. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager. So the opening goals come from the man himself. The manager will be pleased he's on the score sheet today. So we're back underway. I wonder how that goal is going to affect this game. It's with the defender now. Oh, and dispossessed. It's back with the goalkeeper. Referee calls play back for an offside. No trouble there for the assistant to raise his flag. He was clearly offside. Will be disappointed with that effort. They have the ball again. It's with the striker. Arnautovic. And this is Arnautovic. It's hard into the bottom corner. The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Referee calls play back for an offside. No trouble there for the assistant to raise his flag. He was clearly offside.
Yes,
He read that one absolutely perfectly. He did well to win the ball back. Arnautovic.
yeah.
Well, they were very badly timed turns. That one looked like it had. Did he get the ball though?
Yes. Sad, evo, nakon sada, graf kaže. Ne znam, sad sam, graf mi se sviđa, mislim, no kad uđu igru, evo sad to gledam.
Gets the shot in. So close to a goal now. Let's see that one again. And the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time.
Ja, što je moj trener se ne rida, a ja volim. Ja, ova namjena stoji.
The defender could be in trouble here. Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken.
Sljedeća utakmica s kvalifikacije, tako da će snimiti kvalifikacije.
The referee checks his watch. Blows for half time.
Ćemo gledati statistiku, nećemo snimiti.
Well, they want to hang on to this lead and possibly try and add to it. Should be a really interesting second half. And with the defender now, he showed a bit too much to the opposition there. This team looked eager for more goals, so close to a goal there. Well, let's take another look at
svaki
that.
mač se igraju. Neko je napisao dole u komentarima da snimam još, ali imam jedan problem. Malce nema više. Među sam se otišla, dosta radite. Možda 2-3 mjeseca. Eto, prije na koji. Tako sam dole napisao. Ali zna, čekaj, ja mislim, to je ovo je drugo. Tako sam ga... I želio bi da se subscribe-ujete na ovaj kanal i da podržite me i da lajkate video. I da zadržite ovo što radim. Tako, ajde.
Good save. The referee has indicated a corner. Well, let's take another look at that. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Oh, well timed. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. Nice work there. Hoisted upfield now. He's got a shot well wide of the post. Referee very much in control of this game, and he hasn't had to show a card.
Oh, yeah. Olivade.
Good interception. That's good work by the defence. Just offside. No trouble there for the assistant to raise his flag. He was clearly offside.
Jednu sam utakmicu nije sedana. Bio sam instalirao već, ali igrao, kad sam ga instalirao. Aj, što sam ne našao. Ovo sam ja jednu. Ajde, tu ne. Aj, podra. Tu ne više još nešto. Tako da, eto. Ja bi igrao možda još jednu utakmicu, ali ne mogu. Moram igrati. Ide na 3 minuta. Olivade.
It's just one after the other for this team. The manager will be ecstatic. Oh, determined challenge there. Pulls the trigger and it's saved by the keeper.
Možeš li bi ja što stražao?
It's crossed the line, it's out of play. This should be the win for them. The official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. And the manager's making a change here. And there we have it. Goals flying in today from the winning team. They'll be celebrating in style tonight.
puno klipove. Jer prosto nema vremena. Nema znači vremena, prosto je to što ću. Evo sponit face skin, ovo sponit, vidi kako to znam. Tako je. Pa ja. Ja što ću vidjeti. Osmina finala igra se. Kako ću vidjeti? Pa dobro. Evo sad ću ovdje završiti klip. To je to što se tiče ovog klipa. Vidi, ne znam kako ću snimiti. Kad uhvatim vremena snimit ću prvi, drugi i to.